let's see how to create pocket with a draft and fillet. To use pocket operation, we should have material already created. So we have a simple block. In this, let's create a simple profile. Select sketch icon. Select the sketch support. Let me select this face as our sketch support and draw a simple profile. Exit from the workbench. Now, when we same as pad, the pocket also has other two options. One is drafted fillet pocket and multi pocket. First, let's see what is pocket with the draft and fillet. Select the profile and we got the definition, and here same as pocket, we have all the values are same, only the pocket will remove the material instead of. Now let's change the depth. Instead of 50 we'll make it 30, and we have to choose the second limit. The second limit help the system to create the draft. So in this case we'll choose the XY plane as the second limit and preview. Let me refit. So here we can see that the result is having the draft angle and the edges are with fillet, and we can control the radius value and depth and draft angle. Let's click, and if you want to change the direction, either we can use the arrow mark or we can use the reverse direction button. Let's check that also and preview. And since the second limit is not clear, we have to change that second limit. Let's so we can play with this. Let's click OK, and this is all about creating a pocket with draft and fillet. I hope this session clears you how to use a pocket operation with draft and fillet. Thank you. The multi-pocket option provides us to create different pocket length with the different profiles. Let's see how to use multi-pocket in CATIA V5. So here we have, before using any pocket operation or any material removal operation, we should have some feature. We have already created one feature, and we have a profile with multiple profiles, a sketch with multiple profiles. Let's see how to use multi-pocket. Select the multi-pocket option. Select the sketch, and we have the multi-pocket definition. So in this case we have 4 different profiles in a same sketch, and this is the blue color indicates the active domain. What are the value we give, that will be applicable for that selected profile. Let's go with 25, and then second domain. Second domain is the highlighted blue color small portion, and let's select the depth, and then the second domain we missed it out. The second domain is the smaller rectangle. So let's select the depth field and then type the value, and we'll go with the fourth one is the circle. So let's click OK. We can see the different sizes of pocket is made. This is the use of multiple pocket, where the system allows us to use the multiple profile in single sketch, and we can decide the desired length of pocket for each profile. I hope this session gives you clarity how to use the multi-pocket operation in CATIA V5. Thank you.